Hello, I'm Joanna Lelekacs. I'm the Extension Local Foods Flagship Program Manager, and I also co-chair Extension's new Local Foods Program team along with Lee Guth. Lee is the County Extension Director in Pitt County. So program teams were developed to help strengthen Extension's capacity in programmatic areas, as well as build collaborations both internally between agents and specialists and externally with our stakeholders. We expect the local food program team to lead local food systems program growth, cultivate stronger relationships both internally and externally, and potentially to drive research innovation that will help move local foods efforts forward for our clients. The Local Foods Extension Program team has been one of the first 3 program teams identified by Extension since the visioning process. And we finalized our membership in November of 2015. We have 31 members, and Susan Jakes is our administrative liaison. Our team members were selected to represent all program areas of Extension, all 5 Extension districts, both land-grant universities, and the Center for Environmental Farming Systems. We also have included agents, area specialized agents, specialists, and extension associates on the team. And the team will function as a leadership team to plan, deliver, evaluate, and report on local foods programs. So local foods is shorthand for local food systems, which really includes everything from production to transporting, adding value to, selling, consuming, preparing foods, as well as looking at opportunities to minimize and dispose of food waste. So because the work is focused on systems, there's opportunity for multiple impacts from one project. For example, a project may look at finding opportunities to sell farmers' seconds, which can have an impact of enhancing access to local foods while impacting farmer profitability and reducing food waste. So the Local Foods Program team is currently balancing our work between planning, since we're just getting started, around designing the team and how we work together, and balancing that with some action. We just completed managing a request for proposals process where we funded mini grants to some agents and specialists across the state. We funded 9 projects, 4 at the state level and 5 at the county level. And these include projects that support impacts of producer profitability, as well as raising awareness of youth and adults about health and nutrition and local agriculture. And at the big picture, training extension agents on local food systems generally, as well as other service providers, and also providing training on support for local food councils across the state. So with our diverse team with representation from across program areas, including experience across food system sectors, and including county and specialists on the team, I'm really excited about the future of the team's work to help build a shared language around local foods within Extension, to really increase the understanding across Extension about opportunities that we have really to multiply our impacts from the local food systems work we're doing across the state, and then to work together to develop shared measures of our outcomes and impacts that really help Extension to tell the story of the work we're doing around local foods, as well as help agents and others to understand the impacts of their specific hard work in their areas and their communities and the impacts they're having in their communities. Thank you.